Everyone keeps saying MCP, like we're supposed to magically know what it means. So let's clear up what it is in under 5 minutes. MCP stands for Model Context Protocol. It's a standard way for AI models to safely talk to tools and things like APIs, databases, internal company systems, workflows, and automations. Instead of every AI tool building custom one-off integrations, MCP gives us a shared language. It tells the model what tools exist, what they're allowed to do, plus how to call them safely and consistently. Think of it like a USB-C for all AI tools. One connector, many devices. Now let's cover what MCP is not. It does not replace your LLM. It does not replace your workflows. It simply standardizes the bridge between the two. Now, why does that distinction matter? A lot of confusion happens because people think MCP is an AI thing. It's actually primarily an infrastructure thing that enables AI things. The model still reasons, your tools still do the work. MCP just makes sure that they can talk to each other reliably, securely, and at scale. Here's a simple example. Without MCP, you wire your AI to Slack one way, and another team wires it in a totally different way. Nothing is reusable. With MCP, the model knows, here's the Slack tool. It knows what it can read, what it can write, and what it's not allowed to touch. That's the foundation for real, production-ready AI. Thanks for watching. If you want to learn more about MCP and other AI topics, subscribe to our channel, where you can learn more about how you can do more with Workato.